We are the students of Welltech Multitech Dr. Rangarajan, Dr. Sagunthala Engineering College. We are studying final year EEE. Our batch number is 28. We are doing project on embedded system. Our project is based on industrial automation. Our project is entitled as Automatic Monitoring and Controlling of Three-Phase Induction Motor using PIC Microcontroller. This project is done by S. Pechmuthukumar, S. Kishore and K. Jagan, and we are sincerely thanking our guide Mr. M. Ashok, Assistant Professor of EEE Department. Introduction is given by Kishore. Next, abstract is continued by S.
Pechmuthukumar discuss about in abstract. Nowadays, industrial automation is required for precise and accurate operation in order to increase the system efficiency. Generally, single-phase induction motor are used to domestic application, but three-phase induction motor are used for industrial application. Machines, production equipments and control unit were designed in every industry for motor protection, but it is require human power for monitoring data and control the process. The development of the embedded system makes automatic monitoring and controlling the motor action by using microcontroller technology. With programming techniques, the classical method requires some mechanical dynamic part to control motor action, but this system protects motor from under voltage, over temperature, overload, fault by using PIC controller, K-drive inverter circuit, and also send monitor and warning message to operate using CSM technology. Experimental results show that PIC-based production method development of costless, provide the high accuracy as well as safe and visual environment compared with classical system. This project proposed a wireless monitoring and automatic control action of induction motor for safe and economic operation. By using sensor, the motor parameter are monitored via CSM and using PIC and K-drive inverter circuit, motor performance can be controlled. This microcontroller based monitor and controlling motor action system make industrial automation more reliable.
Block diagram representation of our project. Generally, three-phase induction motor is supplied by three-phase supply unit. Induction motor fault occurring are over voltage, under voltage, overload, over temperature. These are the main faults considering on three-phase induction motor. Though winding fault occurring on three-phase induction motor in rotor, sometimes the stator windings should also burn. So this avoids the stop running of three-phase induction motor. So we should avoid this problem by using the PIC microcontroller for automation monitoring and controlling purpose. So normally three-phase supply will be given to the induction motor for running purpose. There is a MCB circuit for relaying purpose. The normal three-phase power supply is given to the induction motor for normal operation. When fault occurring on three-phase induction motor, the three-phase supply unit will be turned off by using MCB circuit. In the sense, over voltage fault occur or under voltage fault occur, what happens is PIC microcontroller sends the voltage and current values and also the temperature values of three-phase induction motor. So for three-phase induction motor, 400 volt will be converted into respective DC voltage given to the PIC microcontroller by using the inductive current transformer and inductive voltage transformer. By the help of reference values, by the help of this reference voltage values will be given to the PIC microcontroller. By the help of the reference value, we are setting for the prototype model 5 volt will be the constant voltage. Above 5 volt or below the 5 volt, the battery will be on for prototype model. But for here, the gate pulse will be triggered and the inverter supply will be on for continuous operation of three-phase induction motor. For the continuous operation, the windings will be heated so that the temperature values pick up and given to the PIC microcontroller. By the help of the reference value, the relay switches turn on to the cooling system. Here we are using the cooling system as air-cooled system, not as water cooling system. For monitoring purpose, we are using the GSM service and sending these values to the operator personally. When the load increases, current value will be increases. So by the help of the current values, we are reducing the load by making the sound using buzzer. Motor runs with a 3-phase supply unit. The current and voltage ratings are stepped down by using the respective transformer. So normally the existing system also, for monitoring purpose, the step down transformers were used. But the main disadvantages is the cost of the SCADA and PLC system is very high. But by using the PIC microcontroller, the cost and efficiency, but cost is low but the efficiency is high. By the special features of microcontroller, the maximum and minimum boundary values of voltage and current are rated by programming. It compares with reference data. If the data are not specified by the boundary region, then the gate pulse will give the command signal to the IGBT to trigger from off state. Thus, the 6 IGBT switches activate and give the 3-phase supply to induction motor by tripping main supply using MCB. The current ranges decide the load input to the motor unit. The microcontroller compares with the current data with reference value. If we exit, the buzzer activates to make the beep sound. Thereby, operator reduces the load input to the induction motor. This increases motor performance and efficiency. We are students of Weltech Multitech College of Engineering. We are done a project based on industrial automation. Here we are going to control the 3-phase induction motor in industry. Our project is automatic monitoring and controlling of 3-phase induction motor using PIC microcontroller. Here we can see the PIC microcontroller and battery supply for controlling purpose, and 2 relay switches for temperature and battery on indication, and load, battery supply for microcontroller, and cooling fan and DC motor, and voltage sensor and current sensor. So the battery on indication is there. Temperature readings will be 31, the current range is 953. Here the current range is an equivalent value of digital range, so the analog value into the digital value will be displayed here. Now the battery range will be the 5 volt. After maximum and minimum range, the battery will on in case of inverter by consideration of industry. So the DC motor is rotating. The temperature will be 18 degree Celsius. By connecting the load, the current will be abnormal by the indication of buzzer sound. Okay.
This is a detailed design of the prototype system. We are using PIC microcontroller, temperature sensor, current sensor, and a voltage sensor. The values of the temperature, current, and the voltage will be displayed on the LCD system. When the temperature value is abnormal, it will activate the cooling fan to cool the motor. When the voltage is abnormal, the battery will be on and the motor will run via the inverter or battery. Okay. Here the temperature is normal. The 3-phase induction motor is largely dependent on the modern ways of power supply and control. Advanced power technologies and control system contribute to the improvement of the motor efficiency. We designed a system by which the motor voltage and current control automatically based upon the supply. If motor exceeds its rating, the motor will shut down automatically by switching the relay. So it protects the motor from damage. So motor gives good efficiency and efficient voltage and current waveforms. So it saves money and time. By comparing with normal operation of motor, it will measure all the efficiently. It will helpful to the industrial management.